Hello everyone, I'm going to be coloring in this Celtic heart with some Maker Flow glitter in Northern Light. It's a color shifting glitter, and I'm also going to be using Renfio glitter in Laser Green and Renfio glitter in Laser Light Green. So we've got laser green, laser light green, and the color shifting Northern Lights green. And this is for the collab with Miss Suda and Miss June for Friday. So it's going to be a quick collab, about 10 to 15 minutes long. So everything's going to be rather sped up, and I need some tape right quick. But I'm going to get this out, and I know I'll have to trim up some edges because I didn't fill it completely full. Oh, wow. Oh, that is pretty. Let's see, set this over here. Didn't come out quite as gold as I hoped, but that green is something else. That is odd that the gold didn't come out gold. That is really odd the gold didn't come out gold. But I'm definitely pleased on how the glitters came out. I really like those. They definitely pop. The light color on the outside, the light laser green, the dark laser green, and then the, let's see, it was, or the regular laser green, the light laser green, and then the Maker Flow color shifting here. I'm just surprised this isn't gold. Really surprised that didn't come out more gold. I can see some gold like lines in it. Did I get my colors mixed up? Fabric cast. Is that the one that colors white? I may have them mixed up, and that one's supposed to be the one that goes white. I could be. I should have looked up first. Yeah, I got some black overspill, but trying to do it in polyurethane is really tough. But was trying to get this in for a Friday collab video with Miss Suda, Artists Resin, and Miss June's House of Crafts, and some other resin artists. I'll have to look up the name because I do not recall the others' names. I do apologize. This is my first time doing it with them. But I will have their link in the video description, so definitely check them out. It'll be Friday morning. I think 9, 10 o'clock, somewhere around there. So I shall see y'all on the premiere then. I hope y'all liked this and enjoyed it. It's going to be a fast-forwarded video because this is taking me almost 2 hours to actually do the entire thing. So with the exception of this last little bit, everything else is going to be fast-forwarded, and I'll type in the information and stuff of everything that I did. So I know I didn't get it quite perfect, but polyurethane's very, very tricky and hard to do. But thank you all for joining me, and thank you to all my subscribers. I sure do appreciate you all. And thank you all, Miss Suda and Miss June. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.